Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a SteelSeries APEX Pro or Pro TKL, this will work for both of them, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you want to do this factory reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting, in case this keyboard is not working for some reason, like it's not connecting to something, or it's not responding, or it's not applying the settings properly. Anything like that can very often be fixed with a factory reset, any bugs like that. The second reason you might want to do this is just for any variety of reasons where you want to delete everything off of it, all the settings and everything, clear it off, so you can set this keyboard up basically like it's a new keyboard coming out of the box. It's really easy to do. With it on, we're just going to come in here, we're going to press and hold this button here for several seconds to open a menu here. So once this menu opens up, the SteelSeries will go away and it will show illumination. We're just going to then use the wheel to toggle down to the settings option and then press the wheel to select it. Once we select settings, then we're going to use the wheel to toggle down to factory reset. Press the wheel to select it, and then you'll just do one more toggle to confirm. You'll confirm on yes. You'll just toggle to yes, hit the confirm button, and this will reset to its factory default settings. You can go ahead and set it up as a new keyboard.